success and maintain remarkable success to good physiques and to keep mind tranquil. The science of yoga was coming down to us from one generation to another by the word of mouth. Yoga is a psychological system of exercises based upon the knowledge of relation between the body and mind. Why was there necessity to do yogic exercises? Our ancient sages had realized that life on earth was full of pain and sorrow, so they engaged themselves in finding a way out. What was more desirable than yoga? To obtain peace and sound health. Yoga helps an individual to control his inner self and live in with himself and impurities of mind, and one proceed to have Atma Darshan. Now we start our act with Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar in itself is a complete exercise and can be practiced by all. It has several benefits. It activates glands of the endocrinal system and makes pancreas to adrenal thyroid and a few other glands. Its function normally, thus removing various disorders of stomach, spine, lungs and chest. Thank you, students. Next is Tadasana. Tadasana is one of the most basic posture of yoga. It helps to maintain control of your own body. It helps you tone, strengthen and stretch your knees, backs, arms, thighs. It also works on your core stomach muscles. This posture also helps to understand the basic of breathing. It also helps one to do the breathing exercises properly. It reduces the flat feet phenomena and also helps to relieve constipation and gas formation. It helps to improve blood circulation and digestion and is good for urinary system. Well done, students. Good efforts. Next one is Triyak Tadasana. It stretches the sides of the waist and reduces the fat from them. This happens especially during the Laghu Shank Prakashalan when it is done after drinking lukewarm water. The entire back and the nerves are massaged. The spinal cord is stretched, which increases the blood flow in the region. Intestine is stretched and improves the peristaltic movement and helps in cleaning the intestine and helps in relieving constipation. It improves the body balance and keeps you mentally alert. Next is tree pose Vrakshasana. It improves balance and stability in the legs. On a metaphysical level, helps one to achieve balance in other aspects of life. It strengthens the ligament and tendon of the feet. It strengthens the tones and the entire standing legs up to the buttocks. Assist the body in establishing pelvic stability. It strengthens the bones of the hips and legs due to the weight-bearing nature of the pose. It builds self-confidence and esteem. Thank you, students. Next is Natarajasana. It strengthens legs, hips, ankles, and chest. It helps to reduce weight, stretch the thigh, groin, and abdominal organs, improve posture and your balance, improve digestive system, good for improving concentration, releases stress and calm the mind. Next is Sarvangasana. This exercise promotes the secretion of the thyroid, thus toning up the whole body and nourishing the blood and the nerves. It restores the lost vitality and is most valuable in cases of dyspepsia, constipation, gastrointestinal disorder, and varicose veins. It awakens the mystic Kundalini. Very well done. Next is Halasana. This exercise stretches the muscles of the back. The spinal column receives a rich supply of blood and the thyroid glands are well massaged. It checks early ossification of the vertebral bones and removes diseases of the liver, spleen and stomach. Good efforts, students. Next is Dhanurasana. It removes diseases of the joints and promotes development of the body. It gives a good massage to the abdomen, so it cures prolonged constipation, dyspepsia, and other disorder of the stomach. It reduces fat, it activates the intestine, and increase the digestive power. Stretch the chest and lungs. This asana is very beneficial to women because it alleviates the menstrual disorder. Good one, students. Next is Bhujangasana. Besides making the spine elastic, it tones up the deep and the superficial muscles of back. In ladies, it helps in the removal of various utero-ovarian troubles. This exercise removes constipation, increases appetite, and arouses Kundalini Shakti. And the last but not the least is Trikonasana. This asana improves the flexibility of the spine, corrects alignment of the shoulders, relieves backache, gastritis, indigestion, acidity, corrects the effect of sedentary lifestyle or faulty posture, assists treatment of neck sprain, reduces stiffness in the neck, shoulders and knees. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanirбhavati bharata
जटाकटाह संभ्रम भ्रमन्निलिम्प निर्झरी विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि धगज्ज्वलल्ललाट पट्टपावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रवि प्रतीक्षणं मम
कौन है वो कहाँ से वो आया चारों दिशाओं में तेज सा वो छाया उसकी भुजाएं बदलें कथाएं भागीरथी तेरी तरफ शिव जी चले देख जरा ये विचित्र माया
भुजंग पिंगल स्फुरत् प्रणामणि प्रभा कदम्ब कुङ्कुमद्रव प्रलिप्त दिग्वधूमुखे मदान्ध सिन्धुरस्फुरद्वगुत्तरीय मेधुरे मनो विनोदमद्भुतं विभर्तु भूतवर्तरे
कौन है वो कहाँ से वो आया चारों दिशाओं में तेज सब छाया उसकी भुजाए बदले कथाए भागीरथी तेरी तरफ शिव जी चले देख सराये विचित्र माया
Well done, students. Very well done. And thank you so much.